All right, guys, we're back up in the foothills of the forest, and as you can see, we're going to dry wash. If you've watched any of my probably last 4 videos, you saw me metal detecting, and what I was doing was testing for a spot to do what we're going to do today with this dry washer.
Welcome to CNS Mining again. We are back out in the lower hills of the Bradshaws, but it's a warm, beautiful, probably 70-some degrees here today. So we're very blessed to get out here and get to do this, even though we have a few body glitches. But we love you guys. We thank you all for watching our channel all the time, no matter how goofy they get. So God bless, and everybody put their hands together, say a little prayer that there'll be some in there today, in the pan.
Okay, guys, Sheryl's up first. Got the machine up and running. It's running really well. It has been the last few times out. You can see her pouring the material in the grizzly, and it takes out the bigger rocks up there and dumps the fines down into the reverse riffles in the below the grizzly and hopper, and it's separating all that, and it's putting the heavies behind the riffles, the black sands, and any gold that we catch. So it's quite a machine. If you've never run one, they're nice to do. It's really messy. It's really dirty, dusty, and in this case, it's this area. It's really hot, and it's no shade there, and it's really dusty. So anyhow, it's running well, and we're hopeful that we're going to catch a bunch of gold in this place because we're right on all that schist. Guys, run number 1. You can see our finds here at the end of the dry washer. Our coarse stuff over here at the back, it's just a small rock. And I'll show you up here. This is where we're working right here.
This is a schist that's on a bend right here, and it's got a lot. I got down to it. I'm going to bust that up and then back it. So we'll see what's just off the dry washer. Then we'll check out the back and see what we get in that.
And we're going to use the electric hammer to do some of this so we don't get tired.
Okay. Well, he's an electrician by trade, so can you get the point, everybody? Anyway, welcome.
All right.
There he is. He's waving the camera around.
We'll be back. All right, guys, so the riffles are empty. And from that big pile there and the pile of rocks on the back, that's what we got to work with. So we concentrated it down to that much. And that's where all the gold is, right?
Okay, say a little prayer, everybody. We're getting kind of old for all of this, but we're still going to do it.
Speak for yourself. All right, guys, same story, different day, different place. Here's the water. There's the material. Cheryl's got it in a 1/4-inch screen, a quarter minus. And those are our 14-inch pans. And it was nice, clean water.
Oh, I can get that muddy. Just give me a couple minutes here. So, I learned a little trick from a couple of our Roadrunner gals on panning. Started to kind of classify it like that, and then she said to kind of stick it on the edge of your pan, keep your riffles to the front, and just kind of go sliding that back side of the pan on your panning tub. Brings that gold that's in there down to the center point instead of just swirling it around like this. But so I tried a couple techniques like that. I kind of like it, but I think we got, what, 30-some years
We're doing it the other way?
this the other way, so go back to...
Are we looking for black sand here? Are we seeing any?
There is a little bit coming here. Remember, it was kind of chunky.
Yeah.
But this is a little different claim, and so we weren't getting a lot of black sand the times before, but we were getting nice little chunky pieces once we got down into the schist a little bit. So we'll see what this does. It looks like a good spot, and what a great day to come out here. And you might have to take a break a little bit and have a sandwich that we got made over there in the pack. Let's take a look. I'm a jiggler, so bear with me. Oh, we got...
Oh, lots of black sand.
Goodness.
Nice.
That's more than the other.
Oh, yeah.
That's a yellow or orange rock. I'll go a little fast here.
So it's carrying black sand. That's good.
Well, look at how chunky that black sand is. So
yeah, it's not moved
whatever
far.
that is, it's some kind of rock.
It's either hematite or magnetite.
Okay. Mine usually stays up in here. So I work it around so that the heavies, which we're hoping there'll be a nice piece. Oh, there's a yellow flake, but it's a weed.
I'm not sure those count.
No, there might be. Oh, I was gonna say there might be an itty bitty one there somewhere, but okay, close that one up.
First pan isn't good. Pan number 2. Lots of black sand, so there's heavies in this creek bed.
I'm kind of a speed pammer, which makes Chuck nervous.
Yes, it does.
But boy, we've been down on the Klamath River years ago, up at Happy Camp, California, handing on the top of a 5-inch dredge, which we had anchored down, so you want to hurry up to find those big ones, and there were a lot of them when we went there. So, okay, here goes.
Why we call it prospecting, not mining. You're looking for it.
I do not see.
I did not see either. Not even a.
Yep, not even
fly
not
poop.
even fly poop. Okay.
You're not going to save the black sand, huh?
Oh, we can put it. So, are you still filming?
Alright guys, Sheryl just did a big vac on this bedrock, and now all those pointy things that were sticking up aren't here anymore. You can see it's cleared down through it, and there was dirt in between all that rock all the way up there, and we got special tools here, bent screwdrivers and picks and wire brushes and all that to do that with. If you look at our vac bucket, it's full right to the top. Alright, we're going to run it, so be back.
Okay, everyone. Chuck and Sheryl out here digging and doing some dry washing up in the lower Bradshaws of Arizona. It's a non-windy day, but there's a lot of dust going back right up at you when you're shoveling into it. So it's kind of a short stream or a narrow stream we're on right here. We sure enjoy getting out here and doing this. And even at our ages, we're getting so it kind of gets us in pretty good shape. So he's gonna do some testing. This is the bucket that I had just backed, and that's on that caliche. We were busting it up. So hoping to find something in this. If not, we'll have to move up the little wash here a little ways. Maybe find a little bit better spot. It's out here. Thank everybody for watching our channel, and may God bless you all.
Alright guys, this is pan number 1 of the vacuuming, and I'm on the wrong side of the tub. So let me move so I can be in the light so she can't see. Nope, I can't do that. This will be interesting if there's black sand in it, especially.
Well, and it's on that curve, and it had a good bit of like some type of a runoff on it. But we got through that schist layer, and then we got a little caliche into it. I think it.
All things being equal, it has all the properties of being a good spot. The spot's good. I just got to see some gold in it to be really good.
Nope.
Looks like that's going in the black sand bucket, wherever it went. Oh, right there. Okay, let's see some magic here. We prayed and everything, and there's still no gold, so there's going to be this time.
Oh, looky here. There's one.
Yep.
Yay! Hallelujah.
See, I knew it.
Okay, everybody, let's clap our hands. Thank you so much for watching. We've been doing a lot of throwing dirt for a while. It's not huge, but my gosh, it's not a speck.
Yep.
Look at that.
Take them out of there. Get them in the jar.
Okay, where's the bottle though?
Right beside you.
Okay, stop filming.
Okay.
We got a nice piece and a speck.
So far, it's just a speck.
A nice piece and a speck, but there's one over here I saw, I think.
So more. This is pan 3. And we're taking the fly poop and everything today. They all add up.
I guess it wasn't.
That's
Okay, everyone, we are back. As Chuck always says, we're back, or we'll be back. We got that nice little piece there. So I thought I better let Chuck do some panning, or he might not take me back home and cook a nice supper or something for him. But he does know how to pan. He's actually more patient than I am. But, you know, it's God blessed us with 56 years last March, and we're still rocking and rolling. So we hope to be finding a lot more gold as we get out here a little bit more. Okay, God bless everyone. It's really hard because yeah.
You get too much, it'll blur.
You know what we got good this time though is we got a lot more black sand. Okay, I'm going to go out on this one now. So I don't know if you all noticed the difference of me panning and him panning. I swirl from the right, he's swirling from the left. We are both right-handed.
Men swirl left to right. Women swirl backwards, right to left.
Backwards? I don't know. I have some friend lady panners that might disagree with that. Okay. Over and out for right now. If we get some big stuff, we'll show it back out at you.
I'm not sure. Well, guys, we finally made it down to the bottom. And look at this. Look at this great piece of schist. way across the creek, all the way across. Big drops in between it all. Big pocket down here on this lower end. Worked that one for about a half an hour. We have yet to pan it. It's late in the day now. It's 3:30, quarter to 4, and it's going to get dark here just in a really short piece of time. So we're going to call her quits today and cover the stuff back up, and then come back another day after we've rested a little bit. This has been a really good one though. This has been fun up here. And we're actually getting a little color. I got the last pan of just the topsoil here. I got 2 little pieces, not as big as that first one, and 3 little speckers, little fly poops. But so anyhow, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, give it a great comment. Come back again. Thank you so much for watching.